Hello friends, welcome to the video. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Target Prelims 2022. Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the most important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment and current affairs. This Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. So Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target Prelims 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant and will sail you through UPSC CSE exam very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of history. So the first question is, the Bara Dakoti was the first major venture of the revolutionary terrorists of the freedom movement in option A, Bombay, Karnataka, option B, Punjab, option C, East Bengal, option D, the Madras Presidency. So you can pause this video and you can write your answer in the comment section. So that's it. So the answer of this question is option C, East Bengal. So in 1908, the Bara Dakoti was organized by Deka Anushilan under Pulin Das in East Bengal. So the theme of revolutionary movements. So this theme is extremely important for UPSC prelims exam point of view. So you should prepare revolutionary activities that took place in modern Indian history. So this question can be repeated in upcoming prelims examination. So let us now discuss question number second. Which one of the following was an amiger communist general of M.N. Roy? Option A, Kisan Sabha. Option B, The Worker. Option C, Vanguard. Option D, Anushilan. So you can just write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option C, Vanguard. So Communist Vanguard was an amiger communist journal of M.N. Roy. So you should know who is M.N. Roy. So what was his contribution in modern Indian history, and you can also read about Kisan Sabha, The Worker and Anushilan, which is not the part of this answer, but you can research about that. So this can become potential question in upcoming prelims examination. So this was all about question number second. Now let us discuss question number third. What is the correct sequence of the following events? First, the Lucknow Pact. Second, the introduction of diarchy. Third, the Rowlatt Act. Fourth, the partition of Bengal. So codes are given below. Option A 1324, option B 4132, option C 1234, option D 4321. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option B 4132. So Lucknow Pact was in 1916 and introduction of diarchy under Montfort reforms was in December 1919, while Rowlatt Act was in February 1919 and partition of Bengal was in 1905. So you should know the chronological events that took place in ancient history, medieval history and modern Indian history. This will not only help you in prelims examination but also in mains examination. So you can just make box and write chronology in that. So it will give you extra edge in the mains examination. So this was all about question number third. You should read about the Lucknow Pact, introduction on diarchy, Rowlatt Act and partition of Bengal in detail. So these topics are very important from modern Indian history. So you can read about that as well. So now discuss question number 4. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Option A, Jamnalal Bajaj Satyagraha Ashram at Wardha. Second, Dadabhai Narauji is associated with Bombay Association. Option C, Lala Lajpat Rai is associated with National School at Lahore, and Bal Gangadhar Tilak is with Satya Shodhak Sabha. So this was about question. You can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is not associated with Satya Shodhak Sabha. So in question not correctly matched was asked. So you have to read question very carefully. So Satya Shodhak Samaj was founded by Jyotiba Phule in 1973. So you should read about the famous personalities that were in modern Indian history especially. So you should know the contribution that were made by Jamnalal Bajaj, Dadabhai Naroji, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Additionally, you can read about these organizations or associations as well, which is given in this question. So this was all about question number 4. Now let us discuss question number 5. The Sara Bandi or No Tax campaign of 1922 was led by option A, Bhagat Singh, option B, Chitranjan Das, option C, Rajguru, option D, Vallabhbhai Patel. So you can tell your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D, Vallabhbhai Patel. So it was led by Vallabhbhai Patel in Gujarat. So you must have knowledge about Vallabhbhai Patel. So he is very famous personality of modern Indian history. So you can read more about Vallabhbhai Patel from your standard sources, about Rajguru, Chitranjan Das, and Bhagat Singh as well. So you should know the difference between the ideology of Bhagat Singh and Mahatma Gandhi, and what were the differences in the ideology of Vallabhbhai Patel and Mahatma Gandhi, and you can include Jawaharlal Nehru as well. So you can read about all these personalities from standard sources. This will help you in answering questions in upcoming prelims examination. So this was all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.